Now we're to the point that we're going to glue up our pizza peel. One of the things that I want to point out when we talk about wood glue and open time, we want to be systematic about how we put our project together. So over here I have the pile of wood that will create the pizza peel. It would be a mistake to immediately start applying glue to just any random piece. What we want to do, as we've shown in all the videos, is go ahead and lay out the project in a systematic, orderly fashion. And that way, when we do apply glue, everything is in order and ready to go. And so you'll notice that these parts already came pre-labeled in your kit. And so of course we want the C label to go with the C label of the other piece. And there is an upside. The arrow should be pointing the same direction during this glue up. And so we'll take a moment to get everything lined up. And then we will be ready to apply glue. We're going to start by edge gluing the actual pizza peel together. And then while that's in clamps, we can go ahead and glue the handle on, the handle pieces on. So now everything is ready to go. And at this point, what I will do is I will take a piece of wood. I will apply glue to that surface. Then I'll apply glue to the dowels that go with that piece of wood. And we'll just carry on through in a very systematic fashion till we get to the end. And I'm going to go ahead before I put the clamps on and wipe off the excess glue that I already have on here, especially on the top surface here. Okay, now whenever we try to glue up a thin glue up like this, it's going to try to buckle. So we're going to put one clamp over the top of our pizza peel and then one clamp on the bottom of our pizza peel. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and glue the base or the handle on, the handle pieces. glue, our brush is already wet. Now we have layout marks on this as well. X goes to X. We'll get our 4 dowels, little oak pins. I'm going to put glue on the oak pin, and I'm going to put it and insert it into the handle. I'm not going to put it in all the way just yet. Now that we've inserted them, I'm going to go ahead and apply glue to the remainder of the oak pin. And then I'm going to push those oak pins on into that last piece. Now the oak pins should protrude beyond each face of the board just a little bit, and we will trim those later and sand them flush. Go ahead and wipe off the excess glue here on the surface. Wipe off the excess glue on the bottom surface, and you won't be able to see it. And now we're going to take our clamps, and we're going to clamp the handles pieces together. And I'm going to put one clamp here at the front close to the pizza peel. I'm going to put a clamp back here toward the back. And then I'm going to wipe the excess glue off the sides of the handle. Anything that I can get to. Another place you want to be sure to wipe excess glue off of is the hanging hole. There will be glue down in there, so I want to clean that out as well. And then as usual, we want to close our glue bottle and clean the tip of it. And then we'll go wash out our glue brush. We're going to let this sit for at least an hour and let it cure. And at that point we can take it out of the clamps and we can talk about sanding and actually get our project sanded and finished.